Welcome back, guys, to the channel Old Time Cooking TV. Today we're going to look on how to open a corned beef can. Corned beef can be found all over the world. Wherever you are, you can find a corned beef. However, there has been a lot of challenges with people, persons trying to figure out how to open a corned beef. So today I am going to show you a quick and easy way to open the corned beef. First, you have to examine the key, as you see there. Then you're going to remove the key from the corned beef tin. All right, then you're going to look at the label, and then you're going to turn the tin upside down. Okay, and then you're going to replace the key in the upside down position so that you can have the leverage of the key top, or the head of the key, above the can, so you can spin it to get that turning leverage right around the can. Okay, so simple and easy. Remove the key, turn the can upside down, replace the key, and then you're gonna turn clockwise to your right. All right, so there we go. You turn and you follow that motion straight around the can. So you see how easy that the top of the key is above the tin, and you can spin with that leverage. It is so easy, it is so smooth when you're turning it, and that which you're turning is wrapping same time on the key. No hassle, no mess. And it's just the same procedure for all corned beef right across the world. See how easy that was. Okay, so that's the correct way of opening your corned beef. If you have found this video to be helpful, kindly press like, kindly share it with a friend, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel Old Time Cooking TV, I ask you to consider to do so. Kindly subscribe and help us build the Old Time Cooking TV family. Until our next video, stay safe and all the best. There you go. Your corned beef can now be prepared for sandwiches or just breakfast purposes.